So we're going to scrap these actuators next. They're bad. We're just going to open them up and see what's inside and see if there's any scrapping value. This is the actuator split open. It looks like it's an aluminum zinc alloy. And there's not much on it. There's some chips and a transistor, and that's about it. And we'll dig into it a little farther, but I'm not feeling it. So a lot of cast zinc aluminum alloy. Again, some zinc aluminum alloy. I'll pull that off. I think that's got a switch. And some brass. And you know, the small circuit board, it's got some IC chips in it. I'll take off transistor and another transistor. And I'll take that out and sort it. So, you know, just scrapping it all, I guess. So we'll probably have a little silver in there, silver in those diodes. I'll pull those transistors. We'll see what this potentiometer looks like, but some IC chips and some tantalum. So what we're gonna have here, some more scrap steel, zinc alloy. Looks like some brass or copper. We'll take a look at that, but there's a little spring there. And that's it. All right, zinc, aluminum alloy. That's steel. We'll just put that in the shred bucket along with that. And I'll go into the hot metal bucket. I'll pull that off later. And I can just go in there with the other one. Some wire. That's it. Hot metal, shred steel. So that's going to be pot metal with a bushing on it. We've got to get to this torque fitting, zerk fitting, whatever. So let's try one of these. I think that's too small. It is. And they put these damn security screws on everything. I don't know why I thought if one would work, didn't work, the other would. Timeout. We're back in action. I just didn't find the right screwdriver. I don't know why they put security screws on an actuator. Lord have mercy, they're probably because they're cheap. Pop in the bucket. I thought I was going to have to karate kick it. Oh, more security screws. I might have to clean up my bench. It's starting to get on my nerves. And that's my half-feral lab cat saying hello. I think she's had it for the day. Let's go in and play with the dog. So not really much in that. One transistor and some IC chips, low grade board. Not expecting much out of it. So I'll pull this off. These little contacts are silver. And that's pretty much it, man. This transformer here, I don't even think I'm gonna go after. So let me pause it. And here there's a spring in there under tension. It's losing its tension. This motor bracket will come out now. All right, so we got some shred steel here. I'll have to flip that over. Don't even know if I'm gonna go after that. I'll see if I'll bust it up. It's a transformer. Use some brass bushings. I'll knock that out real quick. Some brass there, we'll knock that out. Right. Zinc aluminum alloy, scrapping, brass. We'll knock this out to get to the bushing. There's that spring under tension. That's not much. I don't know what that looks like. Some alloy, some steel alloy. Maybe it's nickel, but it's going to the shred pile. Shred, shred. I'll keep the brass. Knock that out. And we'll focus on. All right, so here's what we have. I'll have to push that out, but that's this is most of the zinc aluminum alloy. We got some low grade boards there, real low grade. I'll pull off some components and take a look at that. A couple motors. I don't know if I'll mess with some plastic, a little brass. Right there, some silver contacts. The other one shot across the room, so I'll have to look for that. And we got a little wire there. So that's it for the actuators. I've got some pot metal. Use that. I'll mix some bronze up, or we'll definitely use it for some casting.